Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi bersama gua di channel Goro dan kali ini kita akan lanjutkan lagi nih teman-teman perjalanan kita untuk menyelesaikan game Genshin Impact. So, gue doain kita semua yang sedang berusaha keras untuk mewujudkan sesuatu diberkahi oleh Tuhan. Kita jangan patah semangat, gue yakin setiap progres pasti ada hasilnya. So, tanpa baik basa-basi lagi, gue akan lanjutin langsung permainan kita, perjalanan kita untuk mencoba menamatkan Genshin Impact nih teman-teman. Kalau kalian suka dengan video-video gue, please kalian like video-video gue dan bantu gue untuk ngembangin channel ini teman-teman supaya gue bisa juga untuk namatin game lain juga. Jadi kalian subscribe channel ini dan kalau kalian punya tips and trick bermain Genshin Impact yang baik dan benar, kalian komen aja di video-video gue, nanti akan gue cobain satu-satu tips and trick dari kalian nih teman-teman. Jadi yang terakhir itu kita disuruh nyiapin right of parting ya. Nah, terakhir itu kalau nggak salah kita harus ke Madam Pink, harus ngambil sesuatu nih dari Madam Pink teman-teman. Jadi kita langsung teleport aja. Kalau kalian mau main game ini lagi gratis teman-teman. Genshin lagi ada event, yaitu event Imlek. Oh ya, selamat tahun baru Imlek buat kita semua kan. Gongsi Fatsoy. Jangan lupa Kyonghi-nya dan angpau-angpaunya. Jadi kalian di Imlek tahun ini dapat angpau berapa nih teman-teman? Rata-rata teman-teman gue dapat angpau lumayan loh. Ngabisin kayak kita kerja susah payah dapat angpau ya, tapi lumayan. Itu rezeki lah ya teman-teman ya. Jadi langsung aja kita lanjutin perjalanan kita. Langsung kita kontak Madam Pink ini.
All things must change. It's nothing. It's nothing. I just thought it a great shame that so many of these glazed lilies have wilted.
What happened to them?
Back in my day, people said that glazed lilies can read human hearts. If they heard beautiful sounds like laughter and singing, they would also bloom joyfully. But if they heard too much wild gossip or slander, they would quickly wither away.
So that means these flowers feel what's happening in Liyue?
Yes, the rumors of Rex Lapis's death are no small matter. They are everywhere. Some say it was a Fatui plot. Others say that the Chising made it all up. And still others think that which lies in the deep is breaking free. This harbor is like a mountain of dry tinder. One spark, and the fire will consume us all. Well, I shall say no more. This old woman's grown too old and naggy. Did you have something to say, youngster? Borrow something? Oh, you've come to borrow the cleansing bell, yes? Apart from that, I don't have anything of value that you youngsters might want. But it was not originally mine, either. That trinket used to belong to a friend of mine. I was a vain beauty when I was young, and I would pester him for that bell all the time. He could not dissuade me, and so he gave it to me. But he said that if someone should come to borrow it, I must not be loath to give it away. It has been many years, and who knows how many times someone has come to borrow this bell. Still, though, I can't recall when it started. It's been a long time since anyone has come to borrow it. Oh, these old bones are so slow to look for things. I doubt you can wait that long.
That's right, Granny. We'll follow you back home and search for it ourselves. And, we can help with chores if you have any too.
All right, children. There is no need to worry. I didn't place the bell very far away.
Do you don't live near here, Granny? Whoa, but this is Eugene Terrace. It's gotta be expensive.
Oh, an old lady like me can't afford to buy a place in this city. See this ceramic teapot? My entire household is in here.
How does that work? Hey, that's rude. And even if it was like that, it must be a very...
Oh, youngsters. I simply mean that the bell is somewhere inside this teapot, and you are quite welcome to borrow it. If you can find it.
Ini udah kayak film Aladdin ya. Jadi kita harus nyentuh si teapot ini dulu nih. Teko. Kira-kira keluar gak tuh si jin biru itu ya? Taruh dulu. Ini gua ambil dulu. Ingat ya teman-teman, kalau kalian main game seperti ini, looting adalah nomor 1 nih teman-teman. Jangan-jangan si Madam Pink ini juga punya kekuatan kayak Adeptus juga ya? Soalnya dia nyimpan seluruh rumahnya itu di dalam satu teko nih teman-teman kan? Feeling gue mulai kebaca ya gamenya ya.
Huh? Where are we? What just happened?
Youngsters, this is where this old woman keeps all her things. Quickly now, go fetch that bell.
Whoa! That sounds like Granny's voice. So, this is our teapot? What's going on?
Oh dear, so many cobwebs. It seems I really haven't cleaned it in a long while. Sorry to trouble you children. Please help an old lady clean up.
Jadi terakhirnya tuh gue sempet gacha ya teman-teman. Ternyata gacha gue itu belum menghasilkan apa-apa nih teman-teman. Dan kemungkinan besar gue mau gacha lagi kalau misalkan promo game gue sudah cukup. Nah sekarang tadi itu gue nyobain si Arlecchino. Sekarang gue akan cobain gacha Chlorine, oke? So dari awal gue udah ngomong kan kalau misalkan gue berjanji untuk ngamatin game ini tapi tanpa gue top up nih teman-teman. Pembuktian lah.
The cobwebs were made of elemental energy. How long has it been since Granny last swept this place? Leave it all to me. Over here. Surprise!
Ini tuh kayak Adeptus Realm gitu ya teman-teman. Sekarang gua akan tebak kalau misalkan memang Madam Pink itu salah satu dari Adeptus.
Was such a special teapot and the cleansing bell? Do you think this old Granny could also be an Adeptus?
Sih? Paimon aja ngomong, gila loh. Anjay.
Paimon's more and more convinced that she's an Adeptus. But don't they all live in Trillium Karst? Why would she stay in the city? I'll catch up. Steady as stone, as a dutiful maid would.
Wah, gila nyebelin banget. Wah, gua gak sama apa-apa. Kayak Cina deh.
Rain outlines
Inilah
your
makanya
fate.
gue bilang kan gue tuh butuh karakter, misalnya karakter 1 bintang 5 aja. Jadi supaya yang lawan mereka tuh enak gitu loh. Cuman ya memang belum hoki sepertinya ya. Oke, kalian bantuin dong. Kalian juga ikutin. Kita kembangin channel ini sampai di titik dimana
Know my sword.
gue pun jadi ikut hoki juga nih kalau. Wah, nyebelin banget loh. Yang ini dulu deh yang gue harus ini.
I must leave no stone unturned.
Soalnya ya ini apa, karakter-karakter gue masih cemen-cemen banget tuh Dun. Tuh,
Clear the area! Surprise! Rain outlines your fate. Hit the amaze! Yeah! Jabam!
tuh guys. Astaga, masih ada lagi. Gue pikir berhenti di situ teman-teman,
Leave it
ternyata
all to me. Let her rip! Yeah! As a good knight should. Steady as stone. Jabam!
oke. Udah mulai lincah ya.
How many levels does this teapot have? It would be nice if we had one of these too. Or at least we wouldn't have to camp outside.
Gue yakin banget pada pink itu di atas.
Oh, you found it. Youngsters are so quick on their feet. Oh, now, let me see. All right, that'll do. Come on out now, children.
Karena bentuk-bentuk dunianya Madam Pink itu gue jadi inget sama si Cloud Retainer ya. Kalau kalian inget si bunga bangau yang di episode yang sebelum-sebelumnya. Nah, itu mirip banget dunianya sama si punya Madam Pink ini.
Oh, in and out in no time. You youngsters really are quick. An adeptus. Oh, I haven't heard anyone say those words in earnest for a long time. As to whether I am one or not, child, surely you already understand.
Paimon kinda knows what you mean, but is also kinda confused. Are you really giving us the bell just like that, Granny? Don't you think it's weird? Something's just happened to Rex Lapis and then we come running up asking for it?
Oh, don't be silly. Liyue Harbor has been through a great deal in its history. In that time, it has seen the departure of countless Adepti. But no matter what, we have always performed the rite of parting first before any other matters. To cry, "Catch the murderer," at the top of one's lungs, but ignore the rite of parting. That, to me, is what is wrong-headed. Now that you have come to borrow the bell, I guess that perhaps an old friend of mine has finally decided to take matters into their own hands. So, why would I be unwilling to lend you the bell?
Hey, it belongs to Granny. We're supposed to return what we borrow.
Oh, let you keep it. You really are a frank child. If you want it, You can keep it. But this bell gets homesick sometimes. Who knows? It might find its way back into these old hands. Well, you must have things to do. Since you have the bell, you should return. Oh, and do tell the person who sent you that if they have time, they can come over for tea. I don't have much to offer, but you can always count on an old lady for a pot of tea.
We will. Thanks, Granny.
It's bigger on the inside ya. Apa mungkin itu siapa namanya itu kalau misalkan yang ada di Aladdin itu? Jangan-jangan dunia di dalam teapot itu seperti itu kali ya. Kadang-kadang itu seru tau, kayak mainin game ini itu tuh bikin memori-memori zaman-zaman kecil gue tuh keluar gitu rasanya. Wah, ini gue lagi mainin event nih teman-teman. Terus ternyata dia langsung masuk ke dalam sini juga. Jadi eventnya itu bertempatan di tempat yang sama nih, di Liyue juga.
Ahoy there, Captain Beto! What?
Jadi kita harus ngeliatin ini dulu ya teman-teman, sebelum gue lanjutin lagi ke tujuan utamanya nanti ya. Nah kalau kalian mau mainin game ini ada di Android. Kalau gue lagi mainin di Android, ada juga di iOS. Kalian download aja game ini gratis loh teman-teman. Di PC ada, di PS4, PS5 juga ada, Xbox X dan S. Jadi kalian download aja, kalian mainin secara gratis. Mumpung masih ada eventnya nih teman-teman.
Been where? Where's there? Order? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, right. Literally, you're just... If even who... Of course! But there's one problem. Last time we went to the border, Hutal led the way. We don't know how to get...
Dan mereka ini karakter-karakter yang belum kita temuin ya teman-teman. Kecuali Ningguang ya. Nah harusnya itu tuh kesini nih teman-teman. Cuman karena ide event tadi malah kita ke event dulu dibandingkan ke Ark Conquest-nya ya.
Indeed, this is the cleansing bell. It's in good condition. Let's place the perfume we've prepared inside. An Adeptus.
That's suspicious. But if you don't want to talk about it, we won't pry. Oh, yes, that old granny asked us to tell you something. If you have the time, you can come over for tea. I don't have much to offer, but you can always count on an old lady for a pot of tea.
That tone does not suit you. Still, her teapot is indeed very good. There are none better for brewing tea. When a suitable time arrives, I'll bring a spot of fine tea and pay her a visit.
So what's the next step in our preparations?
Next, we need to purchase kites.
Ooh, Paimon loves kites! Are you taking us kite flying? Is this our break time?
No. Kites are children's toys, yes. But they also play various symbolic roles in Liyue's rituals. I will explain it to you. But our next course of action should probably be to purchase the kites first.
Oh, sure. Curiouser and curiouser.
Sih? Jadi mungkin kalian beberapa ngerti lah ya, maksudnya gue mainin game ini tuh jadi inget kayak masa-masa kecil gue gimana, apa aja yang sering gue main dengan kawan. Jadi game ini tuh bikin gue juga nostalgia teman-teman. Plus grafiknya yang bagus kayak gini, dan game ini gratis. Gue mainin di tablet gue sendiri, jadi bisa mainin di mana aja lah. Dan asli sebagai seru banget sih, sampai sekarang ya masih seru banget. Dan satu hal lagi ya, gue rasa sih memang si Chongli itu tuh seorang adeptus juga sih, soalnya dia super knowledgeful, dia tahu banyak hal gitu. Atau jangan-jangan dia seorang Rex Lapis tapi nyamar jadi Chongli, I don't know.
Ah, sir, you're here. The 7 kites you asked for have been made to order. Would you like to take them now?
Yes, thank you.
It's rare to see customers who want to buy this type of kite nowadays. In the early days, we used to get orders from people of all walks of life.
Well, this is Mr. Zhongli from the Wangsheng Funeral Parlor, so he's probably well versed in all these walks of life. We've talked about a whole bunch of things while traveling with him. He seems to know Liyue's favorite topics, money and government, really well, but he likes talking about less useful topics instead.
Well, that's because I prefer to share fun things with you.
Children's toys are very fun things, that's for sure. I enjoy watching the children at play as much as anyone else. But there is more to it than that. Finely crafted toys are well loved by children, but this craft itself has been honed over thousands of years, and there is meaning behind that. I have made kites in Liyue for 40 years, and I am intimately familiar with the forms passed down from my ancestors. The meaning of these 7 kites is far from banal.
Indeed. These are decorations used in the rite of parting. The 7 kites represent the 7.
I took the liberty of coloring outside the lines when doing the insignia of the Animo Archon. As for the kite that honors the Geo Archon, one must follow the contract given right down to the last letter. These patterns are ancient, and you can also find them in the Golden House.
Ah, Paimon's heard that name before. Huh?
The design of this kite displays a firm grasp on the cyclicality and eternity so dear to the Electro Archon. These markings of tree and leaf pay due honor to wisdom and the passage of time. All this on a single kite. Truly astonishing. Justice flows across the surface of the waters. War rages like a flame, as does that which the Cryo Archon once... Yes, these details are masterfully done.
The compliments of a learned man truly are pleasant.
Well then, Granny Shan, I shall take these back with me. As for the payment...
Well, allow me.
Hey, it's Child!
No, I was merely passing through. I see Mr. Zhongli's the same as ever. When paying, well, when getting others to pay for him, He neither looks at the price tag nor his wallet. He knows a great deal about money and about the trials of the common man. He just doesn't consider poverty to be something that could ever happen to him. Or perhaps you could say that he cannot imagine himself lacking money.
How has he not died of hunger yet?
Child, you are as fond of jokes as ever. Well then, since we've purchased our kites without incident, there's no need to take a break before moving to the next step in our preparations. The rite of parting requires helping hands as well as materials. We should be able to find some people near the harbor.
Oh, by the way, take this bag of money. You probably won't want to let Zhongli do the bargaining, if you know what I mean. Seems I missed out on some interesting information. I suppose I'll just have to find a more opportune moment next time.
Fatui, oke. Gue rasa memang si Zhongli itu seorang one of the seven ya, jadi salah satu dari dewa. Kenapa? Karena pada saat dia ngejelasin tentang layangannya itu, dia itu tahu banget gitu loh tentang arkon-arkon yang lainnya juga. Ya lihat sih lah apakah gue salah atau tidak, ya kita lanjutin dulu ini ceritanya ya.
Hiring help? Sure. But let me just say first that I'm a reserve member of the Adventurers Guild. I take adventuring commissions, but I don't do anything clerical.
Adventure? Venturing into the mountains to capture a few crystal flies seems adventurous enough.
That's not hard. Almost a bit too easy for a reserve adventurer. Never mind. I'll only charge you 15,000 Mora. What say you?
A most fair price.
Kita belajar negosiasi dari game nih teman. Gue rasa 10.000 oke lah.
Let's see. No, go higher, or I'm not doing this.
Oke, dia nggak mau 10.000, kita taruh di 12.500. Dikit lagi, oke.
5 Geo Crystal Flies. Yes, I do think it's worth about this much. I'll do it.
Oke. 2 more to go, oke. Jadi 1 sudah selesai. 2 lagi nih kita ini.
A full day of odd jobs at Yujing Terrace. No problem. 25,000 per day. A fair trade, yes?
Whoa, that's expensive. Could you give us a bit of a discount on account of the whole Hero of Mondstadt thing?
Hero of Mondstadt? Never heard of them.
Well, you may never have heard of this hero, but it seems you've heard of Mora nonetheless. Thus, I will simply pay the whole sum.
Nah, taruh di 17.500 ya taruh ya. 17.500. Dikit lagi.
This price will do. No loss to me for a day's work.
Oke kan? So, 1 more to go. Dikit lagi. Kalian harus belajar nego ya. Kita semua sebenarnya harus belajar nego nih dalam kehidupan ini. Soalnya negosiasi itu penting banget loh teman-teman. Gue belajar nego itu dari almarhum nyokap gue sendiri. Dan dia itu jago banget untuk negosiasi sama orang. Walaupun kadang-kadang gue ngerasa astaga kasih kayak jahat banget gitu loh kira nego sampai segitunya. Cuman semakin tua semakin tahu ya, ternyata di dunia ini tuh banyak orang-orang yang memang busuk sih teman-teman. Kalau gue sih bisa bilangnya kayak gitu sih.
Oh, help? Sure. I, Tick, always put in 100% effort into everything I do. Of course, there'll be a premium if you want me to give 110%. So what's the job?
Let me see. We are still missing some wooden implements over at Yujing Terrace. They aren't uncommon objects, so I didn't make any special preparations for them.
No problem. That'll be 20,000 Mora for a single trip. How does that sound?
Done.
This is all you got? Then no can do. Child? No. He's putting up the money? Oh, still no. Wouldn't that mean I have to make 2 trips rather than 1? How about this? Let's make a trade. I'll take what you're offering right now, and Get me a single Chinkson flower, and I'll consider that payment for a detour to find this child fellow. How does that sound?
Guess we've got no choice.
Chinkson gue sudah ngambil ya. Jadi itulah alasannya
Have you
kenapa
brought the goods?
gue selalu ngambilin apapun yang ada di ini, karena
Hey,
takutnya kayak gini
that's
tuh.
pretty good. These things are pretty rare, and I have no idea where I'd find them. With this Chinkson flower, I should be able to pacify my daughter tonight. I'll make sure the work is done before I return home.
Oke, talk to child. Oke. Seperti child gitu loh. Dia tuh niat bantuin karena dia punya maksud di belakangnya, teman-teman. Tapi ya, sebenarnya kalau kalian memang niat membantu orang, kalian harus mengesampingkan dulu hal-hal yang bikin kalian kayak, gue bantuin orang ini gara-gara ini. Anggap aja bantuin orang itu pahala buat kita lah, teman-teman.
All finished then? Splendid. Any leftover cash is yours to keep. A favor for the Fatui should never go unrewarded.
You think you can buy us off with some loose change? No way! Paimon demands to know when the next payment is coming.
Well, how does this sound? You give me the information I need, and maybe I'll leave the Northland Bank's vaults open and unattended for half an hour.
What info do you need? Huh. Does that mean you know what he's after? Yikes! You're right! Signora!
You both need to calm down. I don't know what's gotten into you. Just what is this about? The atmosphere got so tense all of a sudden.
Next, we need some everlasting incense. For this, we need to go to Boo Boo Pharmacy, the finest pharmacy in all of... Is everything okay?
Everything is fine. I was just informing them that they need not return the surplus Mora. Now, if you'll excuse me, I must be going.
Paimon definitely felt like Child wasn't happy with us just now.
Go to Boo Boo Pharmacy. So, teman-teman, gue akan berhentiin dulu videonya di sini, oke? Kalau kalian suka dengan video ini, please like video-video gue. Dan juga tolong bantuin gue ngebangin channel ini. Kalian subscribe channel ini agar gue bisa ngembangin channel ini dan gue bisa main game-game yang lainnya juga nih, teman-teman. Dan yang paling penting, kalau kalian punya tips and trick bermain Genshin Impact yang baik dan benar, kalian tulis aja komen di video-video gue. Nanti gue akan coba mainin sesuai dengan tips and trick kalian nih, teman-teman. So, sampai jumpa di kesempatan selanjutnya. Bye-bye.